Bill, I was coming into work this morning and I was thinking about this Fobik key for my Ram truck, and the cost involved with if I lose both of my Fobiks is pretty astronomical to get them if I lose both keys. Is there a way that I can save a few bucks by planning ahead and maybe getting an extra Fobik, or do I have an alternative? Do I have to have the Fobik?
Well, there actually is a very economical. This is the Fobik that you're talking about, Roger, and this is a remote that just plugs in and starts the vehicle. The majority of Dodge Chrysler vehicles have had these in previous years. There is an option that we call a pod key. This will also go into the dash, and this will start the vehicle. It also will unlock the door manually, but it costs considerably less than going with the full Fobik key. This is good if you want to have a third or a fourth backup key for your vehicle. You can put it in a file cabinet somewhere, but you will not only save money, but you'll have the convenience of being able to drive your truck until we can make you another Fobik.
So how many keys can we program into one of those?
Into your Chrysler Dodge product, we can program up to 8 keys. And even if you bought it used and there's already 3 keys programmed in, we're able to erase those keys and start fresh with you.
Right on. Okay. Well, I just thought I would share that with our clients and our potential clients. Rekey Xpress Locksmith, what kind of sets us apart from a lot of the other locksmiths out there is we have a vast inventory of keys. In most cases, you're not waiting to get a key or an ignition if you want your ignition changed out. The other thing is that we also use state-of-the-art programming equipment. We use advanced diagnostics equipment. Be careful who you hire to program a key into your vehicle. They could literally cost you thousands of dollars, and you not know it until they've bricked your immobilizer and take it to the dealer, and then the dealer gives you the bad news. Usually when that happens is you're left with potentially a receipt for very little for a service call, and it has no name, or it has a misleading name, no license number on there. The last thing I would say is this: in the state of Texas, they require that we're licensed. And when a locksmith applies for and receives a license, the state also requires that we carry $1 million worth of general liability insurance. So when somebody programs a key into your car, you want to make sure that they've got general liability insurance, because if they cause a problem for you, it could cost you thousands of dollars.
That's true, Roger. And as an unlicensed locksmith, they can also just walk away, and not only won't the job be fixed, you won't even be for sure what they did. You'll have to have it towed to the dealer to figure out what went wrong.
I'm Roger Quartz with Rekey Xpress.
And I'm Bill McCoy.
And we're easy to find at RekeyXpress.com. Thank you.